Patna case revealed in telling manner the weakness and defects existing in the methods of the administering justice by the company's judicial system in the Mufasil. Shahbaz Beg Khan, a native of Kabul, became a soldier in the company's army, gathered a considerable fortune, and settled at Patna. His wife's name was Nadira Begum. He called his nephew Bahadur Beg from Afghanistan. Shahbaz Begum Shahbaz Beg Khan died in December 1776. Then the conflict was aroused between the Bahadur Beg means nephew and Nadira Begum means the wife of Shahbaz Beg Khan means in his aunties, and the nephew based his claim on the ground of being an adopted son. Bahadur Beg presented an application against Nadira Begum to the judge who constituted the provincial council at Patna, which also functioned as a Diwani court for the court under the Warren Hastings Plan of 1774. The Qazis and Muftis proceeded with the matter and recorded the evidence in an extremely irregular and informal way. During the course of the proceedings, the widow, means the Nadira Begum, was treated so harshly by the native law officers that she fled and took shelter in the Dargah, Muslim holy shrine. She demanded to the court the whole property on the three documents: dower deed, mehernama, gift deed, ibanama, and acknowledgement ikrarnama. Then the court ordered that the Nadira Begum will get only 1/4 part of the property according to the Muslim laws. So this was the injustice done to her. She rejected this part and appealed to the Sadar Diwani Adalat, means Superior Court, to get the whole property. The case was remained undecided for a long time, so he brought case against Qazi Mufti and Bahadur Beg in the Supreme Court. She told everything, that how she was treated and the damages she suffered in her personal property like house. So Supreme Court held that the defendants were to pay 3 lakh rupees to her, means Qazi Mufti and Bahadur Beg. Then the defendants were jailed for not paying her. Then these defendants were jailed for not paying her. Then the whole property was given to Nadira Begum. Decision of the Supreme Court has its effect on the company's government in India. The Patna case revealed the fact that Charter of 1753 was wholly inadequate. The Settlement Act of 1781 that was passed to remove the evil effects of the Regulating Act of 1773. Then the third case is about the Kosi Jara case, fourth is the Radhacharan case, and fifth is the Kamaluddin case.